Actionable strategies for the now. We're Silicon Networks, 775-945-9825, Silicon Networks Group. Using the cloud transfers reliability from the office to a third party. They provide security, backup, and reliability, peace of mind. Yet the internet could fail and the cloud would not be accessible. It is no longer just to have a business plan, marketing plan, cybersecurity plan. It is now the continuous operations plan. There are three concepts: strategy and organization, business and process, and enabling technologies. Go-to-market strategies, merger and acquisition, service delivery, product and service, best practices, enablement, budgeting, and auditing. In business and process, geographical operating models, metrics and benchmarking, lean and Six Sigma deployment, process automation, quality assurance models. Under enabling technologies, project management, business analysis, software development, system implementation, enterprise data management, architecture, and infrastructure design. Strategy and organization. Go-to-market strategies. Define the customer profile, research competitors, setting targets, choosing your strategies, providing feedback. Mergers and acquisitions. Partners, skills, attributes, and knowledge. Hire, purchase, or license. Finding the skills, attributes, and knowledge that you need to succeed. Service delivery. Leasing, purchasing, licensing, dedicated. Which or a combination of the models are going to be used. Product and service. Identification of service offering. Best practices. Being the best in the industry, strive to succeed. Enablement to produce desired outcome. Budgeting and auditing. Geographic operating models. Metrics and benchmarking. Lean and Six Sigma deployment. Process automation. Quality assurance models. The enabling technologies, project management, business analysis, software development, system implementation, enterprise data management, continuous operations plan, backup telephone system, remote office operations, backup computer services, cloud services anywhere, computer services anytime. The next step for your business. Start with a business plan review as the foundation for an actionable strategy. An in-depth review your business plan resulting in a 10-point action plan. We're Silicon Networks at 775-945-9825. We're here to help. 775-945-9825.